I'm LA County Supervisor Hilda Solis, and I'm here at the Maywood Cesar Chavez Library, which recently reopened its doors to the public. There are 24 LA County libraries in our district, all of which are equipped with an impressive collection of books and magazines, Wi-Fi, public computers, printing services, and laptop and hotspot kits that you can borrow. In addition to free internet access, our libraries have a variety of virtual and in-person resources for customers across all ages. Whether you want to pursue your high school degree for free and online through Career Online High School, or if you or someone you know wants to pursue citizenship, use our Citizenship in a Bag toolkit. Our libraries offer a plethora of services and programs to support you and your loved ones and our local communities. If you haven't been to the library in a while, I encourage you to stop by one of our 85 locations. The library has something for everyone, and it's so much more than books. We hope to see you at a library soon.
Hi, my name is Sky Patrick, and I'm the director of the LA County Library. Today, I'm at the Maywood Cesar Chavez Library, which recently underwent a light refresh before reopening its doors to the public. When visiting the Maywood Cesar Chavez Library, you will notice a few upgrades. We have installed a new floor, paint throughout, bright custom designed wall graphics, a new circulation desk, new computer stations for children and adults, new reading tables, and more. Whether you are interested in checking out our robust collection of Spanish and English books or DVDs, accessing our free internet and computers, or getting online homework help or virtual professional development training, Maywood Cesar Chavez Library has something for everyone. If you haven't been to the library in a while, I encourage you to visit this library or any of our 85 libraries located throughout LA County. Learn more about the services and programs we offer by visiting lacountylibrary.org. We look forward to seeing you soon.